Assalamu alaikum viewer. Today our topic is teachers in the judiciary. Before the starting video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share. Come back to topic and start video. When Imam Abu Hanifa refused to be appointed a judge, Ibn Ibn Abi Rea, the minister gave him 10 lashes daily for 11 days, but he could not force him to revise his opinion. The the Imam was again invited to be judged by the Abbasi Khalif al Mansur, who swore a royal oath to appointed him the adjudge, while the assailant took an equally determined oath not to succumb to the temptation. He persisted in his refusal after repeated requested and was ultimately sent to the prison cell where he met his end as 150 AH. And when Ibn Adris refused the offer, Horan said in stranger, I wish I had never seen your face. The servant replies with quiet dignity. And so was my desire. When I, servant of the Osmanidate period, refused to accept the post of a judge and the Damascus, his friends mustered strong to persuade him to accept the offer. They found him adamant in his revolution, but they were not discouraged, they were determined. Not be the defeated, the servant owed money to some of his friends, and they declared that if he did not accede to their request, he must clear all the debt to the last penny. According to some doctor of law, a person in debt could not copy the post of a judgment. The poor scholar preferred the judge the chair to the doctor's cell, but not without a passing taunt flag at his friends. I am only exchanging my debts for the unknown, said the implying the account of his record as the Qazi, which he shall have to render to his creator after death. But the fear of the pronouncing incorrect decisions was not the only obstacle in accepting the post. There were 7 who considered salary for state province to be legal. When the Abbasid Caliph Mansur expressed a wish to appoint a person, a governor, to told him that his family people had declared that if he became a governor by want accept from the caliph to not to be appointed him to the post. That's it for today. Come back in next video.